Hey guys, I'm making this video. If your NordicTrack treadmill is not working and the screen is just not working, what you can do to actually fix this issue. So first, you want to turn off and unplug the treadmill completely. Then you want to find a reset button. This person just wrote here that he got a reset button right here. And do you see that you're gonna have from the top of it? There is this like the hole there. Also, maybe you're not going to have from the top, you can have it also from the left side. So maybe on the top, maybe on the left side. And now what you want to do is this. Then what you want to do with the paper clip, you want to, or a needle, press and hold the reset button. And while you're gonna press and hold the reset button, you want to plug it back in. You want to turn it on. And then you want to continue holding the reset button until the screen turns back on, then you can release it. And you should see like reinstalling the software message and then reconnect to Wi-Fi, and voila, you got it. So just make this quick video what you can do, how you can actually fix the issue. Hope it was helpful. So have a great day and goodbye.